Hey everyone, my name is Jessie and welcome back to my channel. And so I don't even know how to begin this video because as you can tell, my kitchen's a little crazy right now. I don't even have an oven. And so obviously, of course, we are currently remodeling. We're painting the cabinets and we're putting in new countertops. And I don't even know if you can tell, but we put in new lighting as well, which is super exciting. But I just kind of wanted to give y'all an update. I don't know if you care or not, but I care about you, so I wanted to update you. But I just didn't want to go like 2, 3, 4 weeks without uploading a video. And so if you're excited about seeing the new kitchen, then be sure to give this a thumbs up. And also don't forget to click that subscribe button. That way you can see what it looks like whenever I am able to upload. Hopefully in the next 2 to 3 weeks I'll be able to start doing my cooking videos again, but please just be patient with me. Please don't unsubscribe. It would really make me sad. But anyways, I hope you're having an awesome evening because I'm currently filming this at like 9 o'clock at night. But anyways, I will see y'all in my next video, hopefully soon. But bye.